Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. My name is Swapnali. In this video, I will teach you electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. This topic very important for your board exam as well as your entrance exams. Now we can see how to make a short notes for this topic. These are the short notes which I made for you. Now we can see what are the tricks to solve the electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. The trick is, first you have to know the resonating structure of phenol. Here resonating structure of phenol is given. This is the ortho position, this is meta position, this is para, this is meta, this is ortho position. Here at ortho position negative charge, here at ortho position negative charge, and para position negative charge. Means the ortho and para position of phenol is electron rich. Therefore, here at ortho and para position electrophile is add. Means at ortho and para position is electrophile add. What is meant by electrophile? Electrophile is electron deficient species, and here we can see the electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. Electrophilic means electron deficient species, substitution means replacement, means the phenol orthohydrogen and parahydrogen is replaced by electrophile. Now we can see the reaction. First we can see bromination reaction. Here the phenol react with Br2 in presence of water. Here we get 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Here one more important thing is, always write the name of product, because the naming having the half marks. Here we get 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Why here poly substitution take place? Poly means many hydrogens are removed and electrophile is Br is add to or both ortho and para. Why? Because here polar solvent is used. Water is polar solvent, therefore here polybromination take place and byproduct is thrice HBr. Bromine consists of 2 Br. 1 Br adds here, 1 Br adds here, 1 Br adds here, and remaining 3 Br react with these 3 hydrogen and we get byproduct thrice HBr. Now we can see next reaction. Here bromination take place at low temperature and CS2 is less polar solvent. In less polar solvent, here monobromination take place, not polybromination take place. Always remember, in polar solvent polybromination take place and in non-polar solvent monobromination take place. Here we get orthobromophenol and the parabromophenol. And see which product is major and which is minor. The para product is major and ortho is minor. Why? Because here is the steric hindrance due to two bulky groups are close to each other. Due to this, the para product is major. And what is the name of compound? Orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Here this is the para position, at para position bromine, therefore parabromophenol. Now we can see the next reaction is nitration reaction. Here we use dilute HNO3. HNO3. How many O? 3 O. HNO3. Here in nitration reaction, NO2 plus is an electrophile. It adds to ortho and para position and we get orthonitrophenol and the paranitrophenol. Here dilute HNO3. In dilute HNO3, the NO2 plus ions are less. Therefore, here mononitration take place. If you use concentrated nitric acid, then polynitration take place, because the concentration of NO2 plus in concentrated nitric acid is more. Therefore here we get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. The name is picric acid. Now we can see next reaction. Next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction at 273 Kelvin, means at low temperature. Here in sulfonation reaction, electrophile is SO3H. It goes to ortho position. Here it goes to ortho position when temperature is low. When we use at high temperature, here 373 Kelvin, then we get para product. At high temperature we get para and at low temperature we get ortho product. What is the name of compound? Here at ortho position phenolic group, therefore orthophenol sulfonic acid, and here para position OH group, therefore paraphenol sulfonic acid. Now we can see Phenol react with CHCl3 in presence of NaOH. What is the name of reaction? Name of reaction is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Here at the ortho position of phenol, aldehyde group is add. What is the name of the compound? Name of the compound is salicylaldehyde. Now we can see next reaction. Phenol react with NaOH, then CO2, then acid hydrolysis. What is the name of this reaction? Name of reaction is Kolb's reaction. At ortho position here, acid group is add. And the name of compound is salicylic acid. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and suggest me